Have you seen the SurgoNix Moringa Patch ads claiming you can melt fat in days just by sticking a patch on your skin, without diet, exercise, injections, or pills? Because if it sounds too good to be true, that's exactly why we need to talk about it. So in this review, I'm breaking down what SurgoNix Moringa Patch claims to do and what actually holds up under scrutiny. SurgoNix is marketed as a so-called nano-microneedle weight loss patch that supposedly delivers ingredients like berberine, moringa, NAD+, and other compounds directly through the skin to boost metabolism, suppress appetite, balance blood sugar, and trigger visible fat loss in just a few days. Positioning itself as a breakthrough alternative to injections and supplements, but here's where the questions start. There is currently no credible clinical evidence showing that consumer weight loss patches can deliver these kinds of ingredients through the skin at therapeutic levels. And bold claims such as 98% absorption, clinically tested, or FDA certified, are not supported by any publicly verifiable trials or legitimate approvals. It's also important to understand that the FDA does not approve dietary supplements or weight loss patches. So phrases like FDA certified facility or FDA registered retailer are often marketing language used to create a sense of authority without actually proving safety or effectiveness. When you look at the testimonials and dramatic before and after photos shown in the ads, there's no independent verification and many appear staged or even AI generated, especially when the product promises extreme results like losing 50 to 70 pounds in weeks without lifestyle changes, which is biologically unrealistic. Overall, SurgoNix Moringa Patch follows a very familiar online pattern with exaggerated health promises, vague scientific language, urgency timers, and products that frequently reappear under new names. So while the idea may sound appealing, it's important to approach it with caution, realistic expectations, and a critical mindset before believing the marketing hype.